Hey, 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 it's mushroom prep time. Okay, so we have these beautiful mushrooms, and I don't know about you, but I can't stand slimy mushrooms. So I learned a long time ago, it's a little different than what some people think, how to peel the skin off the mushroom so it doesn't get that funky, slimy texture, rubbery, right? So I just kind of go in here like this, and see, it looks like kind of a funky little thing, and then you just proceed to pull all of that off the mushroom, okay? And now you have this beautiful, look at the difference. And you can even feel that's kind of slimy and dirty, and look how pretty and white that is. So you pop the stems out, and you just kind of peel it back like this, right? So I took some pork sausage, bulk sausage, and I fried it up. And then I took cream cheese, Boursin cheese, crushed red pepper, parsley, a little Worcestershire sauce, and that is going to be the stuffing mixture for the stuffed mushrooms. So that is my little trick for the day on It's What's Cooking, and I will be just de-stemming these mushrooms and taking the skin off of them. Kind of therapeutic in a weird way. But I'm telling you, having slimy mushrooms, or really wet and moisture, like full of moisture, they're not good. So I find these come out really, really nice. And again, voila. Completely clean, looking good, right? Okay, stuffed mushrooms.